to find out the current status of a particular train using the IRCTC official website. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can simply and easily find the current status of a particular train using the IRCTC official website. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice, be it the Google Chrome, the Microsoft Edge, or the Mozilla Firefox. Just open any web browser and simply search for IRCTC. Once you'll search for IRCTC, simply hit the enter button and you will be getting these search results. Now the first search result will be from www.irctc.co.in. So this is the official IRCTC website for checking the status of your train. So simply click onto this first link and it will give you an interface like this. So click onto this OK button in order to dismiss this. And in order to check the current status of a train, simply hover your cursor over to this trains option right here. Once you will do this, a set of menu will appear, and from here you need to choose this option, that is track your train. So simply click onto this track your train option, and now from here you can search the train number or name according to your preference. So if you have the train number, you can search for that. If you don't have the train number, you can search it using the train name as well. So let's say I have entered this train number, and as I will enter this number, you can see the details of the train. So from here you can see that this was the starting date of the journey of the train, and this is the current status, that it has arrived at a particular station at that particular time on this particular date. And from here you can also check the status, as it says on time, so this means the train was not late. And from here you can also get a detailed history of how and when it reached a particular station throughout its journey. So that's how easily you can track the current status of any particular train using the IRCTC official website. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.